The variant data type is a special data type that you cannot use for model columns. It is automatically assigned by the engine whenever you have conditional expressions inside your code and the different branches of the condition return different data types. So, for example, if you write an expression that evaluates a condition and then returns 1, a number, or NA, a string, the result of the entire if expression becomes a variant because it can be sometimes an integer and sometimes a string. As I said, it is automatically assigned by the engine, and it cannot be used neither for model columns nor for calculated columns. You can only have the variant data type for measures or for expression. And it is automatically assigned whenever you have calculation groups defined inside your model.